Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Black Friday is here, and if you're a pet lover like me, it's the perfect time to grab some amazing deals for our furry, feathered, or scaly friends. Today, we're diving into the best Amazon Black Friday pet deals of the year. Whether you're looking to stock up on essentials or treat your pet to something special, I found some unbeatable deals that will keep your pets happy and your wallet full. Let's get started. Pet Kit Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box was $5.99, now $299. The Pet Kit Puramax offers a safe, spacious, and hands-free litter experience with advanced safety sensors and smart app control for automatic cleaning. Its large capacity and double odor removal make it ideal for multi-cat households, keeping your home fresh and your cats happy. Air Robo Dog Grooming Vacuum was $169.99, now $89.99. This dog grooming vacuum offers powerful suction to capture 99% of pet hair, keeping your home fur-free. With low noise, adjustable suction, and multiple grooming attachments, it provides a professional, quality grooming experience at home. Fiandry Cat Tree was $69.99, now $59.99. This sturdy multi-level cat tree offers 2 perches, 2 caves, and playful pom-poms. Perfect for multi-cat households. Easy to assemble and clean, it provides safe, engaging spaces for climbing and relaxing. 4 Paws Wee Wee Pee Pads was $94, now $52. This extra large Wee Wee Pads provides 24-hour, 6-layer leak-proof protection, ideal for large dogs. With a built-in attractant and rapid-drying top layer, they make potty training easier and cleaner. Dinju Bark Collar was $69.99, now $35.06. The Dinju Bark Collar provides safe, effective bark control with advanced AI and customizable modes, designed for comfort and quick charging for dogs of all sizes. Pet Safe Self-Cleaning Litter Box was $164, now $124. The Pet Safe Scoop Free Crystal Pro is an automatic, self-cleaning litter box that eliminates scooping for weeks. It offers superior odor control with crystal litter. Its low-tracking, dust-free crystals keep your home clean, and health monitoring sensors provide insights into your cat's well-being. Backseat Extender for Dogs was $108, now $89. The Row Winnie Backseat Extender creates a spacious, secure area for dogs in the car, holding up to 400 pounds and fitting large or multiple pets comfortably. It's durable, waterproof, and protects your seats while reducing pet anxiety during travel. Bark and Spark Itch and Allergy Relief was $34, now $22. Bark and Spark Omega-3 Chews provide itch relief, support skin, coat, joint, and immune health, and come in a tasty, easy-to-serve formula. Made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, each jar offers a 3-month supply for great value. Dog Clippers Grooming Kit was $79, now $29. These quiet, cordless grooming clippers offer complete trimming with multiple heads, providing a stress-free, easy grooming experience for pets. D-Pat's Large Cat Door was $28, now $16. The D-Pat's Cat Door offers 4 lock modes for easy control, with a transparent flap and noise-reducing brush strip. Durable and easy to install, it suits doors, windows, and cupboards for pets under 17.6 pounds. Anti-Cat Scratch Furniture Protector was $34, now $19. Fixzilla Cat Furniture Protectors are durable, clear scratch guards that protect furniture from clawing without leaving residue. Easy to install, they blend seamlessly with decor and securely attach with optional twist pins. Bedsure Calming Dog Bed was $57, now $39. This Ultra Plush Calming Dog Bed is 20% softer, offering pets up to 45 pounds, a cozy, pet-safe spot to relax, with easy care and style to suit any home. Embark Breed and Health Kit was $199, now $149. The Embark Dog DNA Test provides health insights and accurate breed identification, helping owners personalize care and even connect with their dog's relatives. Faux Pet Dog Harness was $27, now $15. This dog harness features 3 easy buckles for hassle-free wear without going over the dog's head. With reflective material and dual leash hooks to reduce pulling, it enhances safety and comfort during walks. Self-warming cat bed was $26, now $22. The Mora Pet self-warming mat keeps pets cozy without electricity, using body heat absorption. It's soft, noise-free, easy to clean, and perfect for pets up to 25 pounds. Dog bark deterrent device was $59.99, now $39.99. The NP's ultrasonic dog barking control device uses safe ultrasonic technology to stop unwanted behaviors like barking, digging, and chasing. No shock collar needed. With fast charging and multiple training modes, it's a gentle yet effective training solution for all dog sizes. Dreambone Twist Sticks was $14.99, now $9.48. Dreambone Twist Sticks are a tasty, rawhide-free chew made with real chicken and vegetables, enriched with vitamins to support health. Their fun twist shape promotes healthy teeth and gums, making them an irresistible treat for dogs. Orthopedic Sofa Dog Bed was $49, now $27. This orthopedic dog bed features egg crate foam to support joints and soothe pressure points, perfect for puppies and seniors. With a plush washable cover and waterproof liner, it offers lasting comfort and easy maintenance. Benebone Wishbone was $13.45, now $9. Benebone Wishbone is a tough, USA-made chew designed for super chewers, infused with 100% real bacon for flavor dogs love. Its paw-friendly shape makes it easy for pups to grip, ensuring hours of happy chewing. Chom Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover was $27.99, now $24.99. The Chom Chom Pet Hair Roller quickly removes pet hair from furniture, cars, and carpets. Easy to use, reusable, and adhesive-free for lasting cleanliness. Vet IQ Glucosamine Hip and Joint Supplement for Dogs was $25.99, now $21.84. Vet IQ Hip and Joint Dog Supplement supports joint health with glucosamine, MSM, and omega-3s to ease stiffness and improve mobility. These tasty chicken-flavored chews turn joint care into a treat for your dog. Vekin Water Fountain was $39.99, now $35.99. The Vekin Pet Fountain, a 2024 Pet Innovation Award winner, offers a durable stainless steel design, large water capacity, and a 5-stage filtration system for clean, fresh water. With an LED light for easy visibility, it's a stylish and practical hydration solution for pets. Cat Toys Ball was $25.99, now $19.99. The GeoCiv cat toy entertains active cats with multiple movement modes, touch activation, and chirping sounds, ideal for hours of fun on various surfaces. Purina Fancy Feast was $27.68, now $20.89. Fancy Feast Petites deliver mess-free portions and gourmet flavors, offering balanced nutrition to keep your cat happy and healthy. Blue Buffalo Nudges was $27.98, now $18.99. Blue Nudges jerky cuts are made with real chicken as the first ingredient, offering a tender, tasty treat dogs love. Crafted with wholesome ingredients, they're free from byproducts, corn, wheat, soy, and artificial additives. MXF Pooper Scooper was $23.99, now $15.99. This lightweight, durable pooper scooper with adjustable handles is easy to clean and works on all surfaces, making pet cleanup hassle-free. Nature's Miracle Dog Stain and Odor Remover was $24.49, now $24.95. This powerful cleaner tackles pet stains and odors on carpets, floors, and furniture, leaving a light citrus scent. Safe for pets and home, it's effective and easy to use. Caesar Fillets was $27, now $23. Caesar Fillets in Gravy offers real meat as the #1 ingredient in a delicious balanced meal or topper. With easy peel-away trays, this 24-pack variety provides irresistible flavors for your dog. Purina Pro Plan was $33, now $44. Purina's high-protein cat food variety pack offers real chicken or turkey in gravy with antioxidants and essential vitamins for immunity, skin, and vision support. It provides complete, balanced nutrition cats love, made in the USA. Pet Honesty Chlorhexidine Cat and Dog Shampoo was $25.99, now $20.99. Pet Honesty's Chlorhexidine Shampoo soothes skin issues, leaves a fresh scent, and promotes a healthy coat with its gentle, vet-recommended formula. Pawfume Premium Grooming Spray was $17.99, now $10.49. Perfume Designer Dog Cologne offers long-lasting luxury fragrance for dogs with moisturizing and detangling benefits. This hypoallergenic, vet-approved spray keeps your dog smelling fresh and their coat shiny. O Jenny Dog Bed was $39.99, now $23.99. This plush, durable dog bed fits most crates, is water-resistant, and has a washable cover. Perfect comfort and style at a great price. Fire Or Dog Squeak Toys was $29, now $21. This 5-pack stuffing-free squeaky toy set keeps dogs entertained, reduces boredom, and offers safe, durable play for all sizes. Dog Grooming Kit was $29.99, now $19.95. The Yabeef Pet Nail Tool combines a quiet 3-speed grinder with LED lighting for safe, precise nail care, saving pet owners costly trips to the groomer. USB rechargeable with long battery life, it's ideal for pets of all sizes. Almuca Cat Brush was $19.99, now $15.99. The Almuca Cat Hair Brush gently removes loose hair and tangles with durable bristles and an easy clean button, perfect for all pet fur types. Charlie and Buddy Hemp Oil for dogs and cats was $29, now $19. This pet hemp oil relieves anxiety, reduces pain, and promotes better sleep and mood, making it a safe, universal remedy enriched with essential omega fatty acids and vitamin E. Cat Litter Mat was $19.99, now $12.99. A Paw Wool's Cat Litter Mat traps litter, protects floors with a waterproof base, and is easy to clean. Soft, durable, and perfect for any cat owner. Texan's Pet Carrier was $31.99, now $26.99. This pet backpack is breathable and sturdy, fitting small dogs and cats comfortably with PVC mesh for airflow and chest buckles for support. It includes a removable mat for easy cleaning and is built to withstand scratching. Angel's Eyes Natural Tear Stain was $41, now $36. Angel's Eyes helps reduce tear stains and coat staining naturally using antioxidant-rich ingredients with antibacterial properties. Safe for cats and dogs, it's made in the USA and has a tasty wheat-free formula. Stainless steel cat litter box was $87, now $79. This XL stainless steel litter box prevents spills with high sides, ideal for big cats and high peers. Easy to clean and odor-resistant, it ensures a hygienic environment for your cat. And that's a wrap on the best Black Friday pet deals Amazon has to offer this year. From toys and treats to grooming essentials, there's something here for every pet and pet parent. If any of these deals caught your eye, check the links in the description to score them before Black Friday ends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds and deals. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping for you and your pets.